Question number 8. Vijay purchased 1200 bananas at the rate of rupees 16 per dozen. Find out per dozen selling price so that he can gain 2%. Now, what it is given? Cost, price of how many dozen it is given? We have to find of 1 dozen what bananas. How much rupees it is? Rupees 16. So 1200 bananas is how many dozen? 100 dozen. So cost of bananas equal 100 into 16, that is rupees 1600. Now what it is said? 2% profit on rupees 1600. So profit equal 1600 into 2 upon 100, cancel this 0. 16 2s are rupees 32. So what will be the selling price? Cost price plus profit, that is 1600 plus 32, that is rupees 1632. Now we have to find out cost of per dozen. Cost of per dozen, that is 1632 upon 100. After 2 place you put a decimal from the back, that will be 16.32. So what was the question? Find out per dozen selling price. So cost is rupees 16.32. Now see question number 9. A person loses 4% if he sells a chair for rupees 144. So stop. If he wants 10% profit on it, comma, then what should be the selling price? We have to find the selling price. We can take let cost price is rupees 100. We don't know. We will take cost price is rupees 100. When there is a loss is how much percent? 4%. We will take cost price rupees 100 when loss is 4%. We have to find selling price, then selling price equal cost price minus loss. What is the cost price? 100 minus 4, that is rupees 96. Now see carefully. Since when selling price is rupees 96, cost price how much rupees it is? 100. Unitary method, when selling price is rupees 1, cost price equal rupees 100 upon 96. But we have to find for how much rupees? 144. So when selling price is rupees 144, cost price equal 100 into 144 upon 96. Is it clear? Now you cancel with the table of 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Again cancel with the table of 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again cancel with the table of 272, 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. Again you cancel with the table of 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Cancel it, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Again with the table of 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18. Again with the table of 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 50 ja 100. Then 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 3 3 ja 9. It is 9, 3 3 ja 9. Then 50 into, how much is left in the numerator? 50 into 3. That means 5 3 ja 15 and 1 0. How much it is? 150 rupees. How much it is? 150 rupees. So we have to see that again to get 10% profit. To get 10% profit, selling price we have to find. So profit equal 150 into 10 upon 100. Cancel this 0 0 0 0. Then 15 into 1 is rupees 15. We have to find selling price. The formula of selling price is cost price plus profit. What is the cost price? Cost price we got, that is rupees 150 plus how much is the profit? Profit is 15, that is rupees 165. Is it clear? See the 10th question. A shopkeeper purchased a television set for rupees 5,000 and spent rupees 500 on repairing it. Cost price we don't know. We have to add both, then only we can find the cost price. Now if he wants to sell it with 5% profit, then what would be the selling price? We have to find the selling price. What it is given? Cost price equal rupees 5,000 and repairing charge is rupees 500. So what will be the total cost price? Total cost price equal 5,000 plus 500. These two we have to add, then we can get the total cost price. That will be rupees 5,500. How much is the profit percent? 5% profit. We have to find profit. Profit equal cost price into profit percent upon 100. What is the cost price? 5,500 into what is the profit percent? 5% upon 100. Cancel this 0 0. Then multiply it. 5 5s are 25 to 5 here. Again 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 2, 27. That is rupees 257. Now we have to find selling price. Selling price equal cost price plus profit. What is the cost price? 5,500 plus profit is, just now we got 275. If you add, you will get 5,775. Is it clear? Now see question number 11. On selling an almirah for rupees 1,500, Abib loses 1/6 of it cost. Find the cost price of almirah. We have to find the cost price. We don't know the cost price, so we will take let cost price of almirah be rupees X. So loss is 1/6. That means 1/6 of the cost price. That will be X upon 6. Now we have to find selling price. To find out selling price, we know it is cost price minus loss. What is cost price? That is X minus what is the loss? X upon 6. That is 6x minus x upon 6. You will get 6x minus x, 5x upon 6. Now, what it is said? What is the selling price we got? 5x upon 6. And what is the total cost of that almirah selling price? Total selling price is 1,500. Now we have to find the value of cost price. That is 1,500 into 6 upon cross multiply it 5. Then with the table of 5 you cancel. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15 and 2 0. Then 300 into 6, that means 6 into 3. 6 3s are 18 and 00. So what is? That is rupees 1,800. 100 is the value of x, that means cost price. So we have to write answer cost price of the Almirah is rupees 1800. Is it clear?